I just set my first meeting of 2022 off a live cold call. Cue the explosion. Unfortunately, I don't have the editing skills to do that, so this beautiful sunset in the background is gonna have to suffice. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'm inserting the link to that live cold call. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. I go into my bag. I don't know about you, but the first week of January has been really slow on the phone. So this was the first successful call I've had in a couple weeks, and I'm feeling a little bit rusty. This video is coming out on a Friday, and I'm gonna let you know right now why I plan to double down at the time you're watching this video on my outreach. 2 reasons. Number 1, never underestimate the power of a Friday afternoon cold call. You'd be surprised the high-level contacts you can reach, and everyone's in a good mood. Number 2, at any given moment, you are 1 call away from changing your entire week, month, or even quarter. And that's applicable to most areas in life as well. If you're looking to expand your social media footprint like me on YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, I'm 1 post, I'm 1 video, I'm 1 soundbite away from absolutely blowing up. You in your life are 1 relationship away from changing everything. So have hope, have optimism that if you keep pushing, if you keep staying persistent, you could really change your circumstances fast. If you plan to hit the phones in 2022 as hard as this massage chair likes to get into deep muscle tissue, leave a like on the video now. Before we get into the live cold call, I wanted to share my thoughts on cold calling as of early January heading into 2022. A question I get all the time on LinkedIn is, Trent, I see that you're an account executive. You seriously do your own prospecting? I thought you didn't have to still prospect and cold call the higher up you get in sales. The answer is, if you want to consistently be a high performing rep that executes with excellence, you must do your own prospecting. You must have a hunter mentality that you will eat what you kill. You have to decide that 1, you're willing to do whatever it takes to hit quota, and 2, you can't underestimate the amount of action it will take to get there. Early in my software sales career as an SDR, I really struggled. So I made the decision, I'm gonna blow up. And the way I did that was by making more calls than everyone else. I wasn't more talented, I wasn't smarter, I wasn't funnier, I wasn't more entertaining, I wasn't better looking. All I did was showed up and work hard. If you're early in your sales career, take an inventory on where you're at today and where you want to go. If you want to blow up, it takes pipeline generation, it takes prospecting, it takes cold calling, it takes sending emails. Sales is a pure volume game. The more calls you make, the more meetings you're going to set, the more pipeline you're going to generate, the more revenue you're going to close. It's all about volume. It's all about deciding you're going to blow up. And I'm deciding to do all of those things as of today, as of yesterday, as of tomorrow, and as of indefinitely in the future, because it's never going away. And those reps who don't do it, who don't adopt that mentality of, I need to go make it happen, I cannot rely on other people to generate my pipeline for me, that's just gravy on top of it. If you're fortunate enough to have a marketing team, if you're lucky enough to have an SDR, rely on them and use their pipeline is gravy on top of what you're gonna generate for yourself. That's the way I approach it, and I hope that shows through in this call, in the urgency, in making the ask. That's what it's all about. I overcome an objection. I really hope you get value and useful information from this call. Take my script. I've made over 40,000 cold calls and it never fails me. The reason I'm calling you is make sure to leave a like on the video now, subscribe to the channel for more sales videos, connect with me on LinkedIn, leave a comment for the algorithm, let me know what you think of the call, and enjoy.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking clout. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me,